Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening Instagram and confirming you're in the right account. This ensures search results match your social context. Once done, grant contacts permission if you want saved phone or email contacts to appear as suggestions. This speeds the process. Next, tap the magnifying glass at the bottom to open search. You'll see the search field at the top. Tap into it and get ready to enter a name, username, or company to locate the contact quickly. You type the person's username or full name into the search box. Usernames yield the most precise results, while full names can match multiple accounts. Once you type, switch between tabs, top, accounts, tags, places to filter results. Choose accounts for people. If results are noisy, add location words or partial usernames to narrow matches. Make sure to look for the verified badge or profile photo to confirm identity. You can also open profiles. You open the candidate profile to confirm it's the right contact by scanning the bio, posts, and mutual followers. Once sure, tap follow or message to reach them. If you expected a contact but can't find them, make sure their account isn't private blocked or using a different username. If search fails, refresh the app, toggle network or airplane mode briefly, and resync contacts in settings. These steps resolve most syncing and indexing issues quickly, so try them before assuming the account doesn't exist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.